Okay, y'all, we're going to jump right into this. I'm using Waverly chalk paint in the color ink, and I'm going to give these blocks a 3 good coats on all sides and the top, and there's no need to do the bottom unless you just really want to. If you're lucky, you can find these blocks at Dollar Tree. I went to 4 and couldn't find even 1 block, so I ordered from Amazon. Um, the package from Amazon has 27 blocks, and I think it's $19.99. So that makes them about 75 cents each, and I'll put the link below. I used my Cricut to make the words boo and eek. If you don't have a Cricut, y'all, you could use a stencil, a sticker, you could freehand it, and just use a paint marker. So my inspiration piece was from Kirkland, so I guess this is really technically a dupe. And they only had boo on one side, but me being extra, I wanted eek on the other side because I wanted options. And why waste the space? So I lost the footage drawing the outer lines. And so that's what I did that. And it really makes the letters pop. See those lines? So then I take a mop head from Dollar Tree and I pull out 2 strings. And I pull out 2 strings. Really, I pull out 3 because I was out of out of the frame, so I wanted to show y'all how easy it is to pull a string. So I knot one end. You're going to need 2 knots, and then you're going to trim it, do another knot, trim it. Now the other string I cut in half because it's going to go on either end of our blocks. So I trim the knots, and you're going to glue them between the blocks, between the B and the O and the O and the O. And it's going to make it look like they're connected, y'all. It's so stinking cute. Right? Oh, just so cute and so easy. So I was saying that my inspiration piece was from Kirkland's and it was $9.99. And so I know I did this for under $4, which makes me excited because that saves me money or I can buy more craft supplies. Don't tell my husband. So now we knot the end piece and hot glue it. You're going to do the same to the other side. And y'all, this project's done. It's just that easy. And it is so cute. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments below. So this is optional. You can trim the ends or not, and you're done. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.